I am excited to announce a new $0 deductible home warranty promotion we have going on. Before, your real estate clients had to have active home and auto insurance with home membership to get a $0 deductible on all home warranty claims. Now we are granting a $0 deductible if your client simply gets a home and auto quote from us before closing. They will have to get insurance somewhere before they close, and as a broker, we are going to shop their insurance with many top-rated companies like AllState, AAA, Travelers, SafeCo, Metlife, and other top-rated companies. The only thing we ask is for the realtor to submit the warranty on our website, phone app, or agent portal at least 20 days before closing. I understand you may not know the exact closing date, so as a rule of thumb, if you submit the warranty right after the contract is accepted or after the request for repairs are approved, this will typically be more than 20 days before closing. Our team will then look at the submission date and the estimated closing date on the warranty submission, and once they see it as more than 20 days, your real estate client's account will be marked for a $0 deductible on warranty claims. Again, they don't have to have active insurance to get the $0 deductible. They just need to get the quote and the realtor make the submission 20 days or more before the estimated closing date. If your real estate client accepts our quote, we will take care of sending the evidence of insurance to their lender and handle all the necessary paperwork to make sure your deal gets closed as soon as possible. How do your clients get their quote? We will call your client direct from the information that is provided on the submission, or they can visit our website and select the insurance tab under our menu, and they can get an instant real-time quote 24/7 from many of our carriers directly on our site. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.